Hello everyone, welcome to TerraSpatial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to symbolize point layer in QGIS. So you can see this is the point layer which we'll be using, and not to change the symbology of this point layer, right click on this point layer and you can find the option properties, select the option properties. Under the properties, you can find the option symbology. There are a lot of options available. You can use the scroll button. You can see the option symbology on the top. Click it. So you can see over here. So currently we'll be just discussing the single symbology for the point layer, and you can see you can choose the color for this point layer. For example, there are around 4 options are available. You can choose from any of these options. For example, if you want pink color, you can change the intensity. You can change the intensity over here, and you can choose the pink color. Click OK and apply it. So you can see here the color has been changed. So likewise, you can change the opacity. You can reduce the transparency of the layer. You can see at the top when I am just increasing the transparency level or opacity. You can see here, you can see the changes. Let me set it to 28% and you can see the difference. Let me apply it. You can see the layer transparency has been reduced, that is opacity. Now you can see, let me bring it back to the normal position, and here you can increase the size of the point. For example, right now it is 2.5. You can increase it to 5. You can see that the size has been increased, the point size has been increased. So likewise, you can increase the point based on your need. It can be 20, 25, anything. And you can see the next option, which is the rotation. So you can rotate the point symbol here. For example, you can rotate it to 90 degrees, apply it. Because it is a point, you cannot see the rotation. So I'll be showing you once again the example with some other feature. Now let me set the rotation to 0. Here, if you come down, you can find a lot of symbology which are available. For example, you can select any of the symbology. You can select the diamond green, apply. You can see it has been changed. You can use the dot white color, apply it. Here in the drop down menu, filter symbology, you can see some options are available, colorful. So you can find the colorful symbology for the points. Grayscale is available. You can find the colors in black and in light gray. Showcase, you have some options. For example, you can just see over here honeycomb. You can choose any of this. Finally, we have topology. You can select, if it's an airport, you can select this one and change the point symbol. Likewise, you can do. So let me show you some more things in it. Let me bring it to the normal color. After that, you can see over here simple marker. You can just click on the simple marker. If you have some more functions available, for example, you can also increase the size and decrease the size here like this. You can fill the color. For example, currently it is in white color. You can change the color to yellow. There are 4 options available for picking up the colors. Here, let me show you another option. For example, if you want green color, you can change the intensity using this small circle shape, and after that you can select this color, click OK, apply it. You can see automatically the color has been changed. and here you can find the stroke color. Stroke color is nothing but, you can see the outer side of the circle is been colored with black color, the outer ring. So you can change that color too by picking up colors. For example, if you want it in green color, or sorry, if you want it in red color, you can choose accordingly. You can choose the colors. Now you can see I have picked the color. Just use the option apply. You can see the color has been changed. You can increase the stroke with color. For example, yeah. Now let me increase the size so that it will be visible. Now you can increase the stroke stroke width. Before that, let me show you the stroke style. You can use these sorts of styles, dashed lines. Let me apply it. You can see here. Let me increase the size so that it will be visible. So you can see the style has been changed. You can use the dot line, apply it. You can see it has been changing accordingly. Dash, dot line, apply it. And you can also, let me bring it to the normal position, and you can also increase the stroke width. For example, the outline thickness, you can increase the thickness, apply it. You can just see, you can increase the thickness of the outline. Likewise you can do, you can rotate. So let me show you how to rotate it. Now you can choose the symbol from here also. You can choose the point symbol from here also. For example, if I would need this cross fill, I can choose it, hit the button apply. You can see it has been changed. Now here you can set the rotation. For example, if you want it in 25 degrees, you can see on the top it has been changing, or in 90 degrees you can see. Let me choose 70 degrees. Accordingly it will be changing. You can see here. You can just apply it and check. Likewise you can rotate the symbology. And I will show you another option where you can add another marker to. Here you can use this option, add symbol layer. Here you can see I have added another simple marker. Now I can just customize it. For example, I can select the size for the circle. Let me choose it to 4, and let me give some colors for it. You can also pick colors. You select it, sample a color. You can pick any of this color from the screen also. You can choose. If you want this color, you can choose. You can want this color, you can choose. Likewise you can choose. Now let me choose this color and give OK. So now you can see I have chosen a color. The same thing what we have seen previously, we can do everything over here also. You can change the symbology, and you can see here I have chosen 2. Now let me apply it. You can see here. So on the top of the cross the circle has been appeared. If you want, you can just change it. You can bring the circle down, apply it. You can see the circle has been gone down, so it is not visible. So you can directly increase the size, apply it. Now you can see here. So likewise you can change it. So here some more options are available. If you want, you can add some more symbol layer. You can move it up and down using this button. I have did it right now. You can lock it. You can duplicate the symbol layer. If you want, you can also delete it by pressing this button. You can delete it. And you can see over here symbol layer type. Here we are using simple marker. Here a lot of options are available. For example, click on the symbol layer type. Here you can select the font marker, and in font marker just go down. You can see a lot of font is available. You can choose any of this font. Let me go up. Ellipse Marker, you can see here. You can find the shapes, available shapes. Likewise you can do filled marker and geometry generator. You can generate a geometry, so this will be seen in the upcoming videos. You can mask it, and you can use the svg marker. Svg marker is nothing but scalable vector graphics. If you count down, you can just find a lot of symbols available here. You can see, you can choose any of these symbols. Then you can see a lot of symbols are available. You can select it from the folders. For example, if you want to select accommodation, you can select from these uh, symbols, available symbols. If you want, if you are symbolizing as a tourist spot, you can just pick it accordingly. Sports, likewise you can pick it accordingly. Shopping, so you can see, you can pick among any of this following, and you can choose the color. You can choose the fill color. For example, if you need the fill color to be, let me choose it from some more. Yeah, here you can see, you can find the recent colors or standard colors. You can use the standard colors. Let me use the brown color over here. Let me click OK. Yeah, now let me apply it. You can just see it has been changed to red color. So likewise, if you want to pick up motorcycle, and if you want to change the color, just go to the top. You can change the color. So here let me add the blue color. If you want the change the stroke color, you can change it. So I am selecting the uh, white color here. Apply it. You can just see here. Likewise you can change, you can do a lot of things using this svg marker. A lot of things are available, symbols are available over here. You can use QGIS logo, apply it. You can just see here. Likewise, a lot of things are available. You can pick up the colors accordingly. You can symbolize the points accordingly. You can use GPS too. You can see the GPS icons. So you can explore, a lot of things are available. And finally, let me show you once again, show you the font marker, where you can select the ESRI also. So if you pick up ESRI, there are a lot of symbols are available. For example, let me go down. You can see the amount of symbols which are available. You can pick any among them. Likewise. So let me go up once again. So let me show you some more fonts. You can see here Wingdings, where you can find Symbology. You can find such Symbology. Let me apply it. You can see over here. Likewise, ESRI itself, lot of symbols are there. You can see ESRI itself, a lot of symbol you can find. Likewise, yes, there are a lot of options are available. You can easily pick up the colors from this. You can use the recent colors. You can apply it. Likewise, you can do. You can see ESRI public, gas station. Likewise, you can do and customize the point symbol in QGIS. So if you have any doubts in this, please do ask in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.